What's up, guys? This is Linus the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. The song today I'm going to bring you is 打分数. What numbers are you? And it's sung by Huang Lixin, Stanley Huang. 打 means to hit. 分数 means score, mark, point. But 打分数is a set phrase meaning to give scores. Even though this song is a bit sexist, we can still find many useful words that we can learn from it. As always, I will play the whole song first, and then we analyze the lyrics line by line.
Party girls 故意穿得辣，就是怕我不盯住她。
Party girls 故意穿得辣，就是怕我不盯住她。Party 派对 girls 女孩们，故意 deliberately on purpose intentionally 穿得辣 to wear so hot。Verb 的 complement. 穿 means to wear. 辣 means to be spicy, to be hot. You can also use to describe body shape or the outfit that you wear. 就是就 exactly 是 is. 怕 to be afraid of, to be scared of. 盯 to stare at. 住 to live, to stay. Therefore, 盯住 means to stare at someone and keep your attentions on that person.Party girls wear so hot on purpose because they're afraid that I don't focus on them.
一个人跳态度杀，帮他打个分数，应该起火吧。
一个人跳态度杀，帮他打个分数，应该起火吧。一个人 one person. 跳 to dance. 态度 attitude. 杀 means to kill. Here it means it kills.帮她 to help her 打个分数 to give her a score 应该 should 7或8 7 or 8 She dances by herself and her attitude kills it. Let me help her by giving her a score which should be 7 or 8.
Sexy, 她的嘴唇翘得So sexy.
Sexy in Chinese it means 性感嘴唇 lips 翘 to stick out like this 翘的 so sexy verb 的 complement her lips stick out so sexily
她的水蛇腰得So sexy.
她的水蛇腰 is so sexy 水蛇 water snake 腰 waist水蛇腰 is a slang in Chinese. It means that you have a waist like a water snake, which is very splendor and supple. Her waist, like a water snake, is so sexy.
Party girls 好骚，每个有一套，摇出18招。
Party girls 好骚，每个有一套，摇出18招。好 means very so.So to be flirty and seductive. 每个 each of them 有 to have 一套 a set of something. 有一套 together means to be good at something. Here he's talking about they're very good at dancing. 摇出 to shake it out. We can translate it as to shake and show. 18招 招 means skill. Move.Party girls are so flirty and seductive. Each of them is very good at dancing. And they shake and show their 18 moves. If you want to know more about 18招, you can Google type in 胖秀. You will see more about it. I'm not going to explain it here. 想要跟我喝一杯，你以为你是谁？想要 to want 跟我 with me 喝一杯 to drink a glass it means to drink a glass of wine to drink a glass of liquor 你 you 以为 think 你是谁 who are you you want to drink with me who are you thinking you are 知不知道 do you know it or not每天 every day 追 to chase to pursue 男人 man 有 there is there are 一堆 means a pile, but here we can also translate it as tons of, many of. Do you know that there are tons of men who pursue me every day?
天啊扣分给我Shut。
天啊扣分给我Shut your mouth. 天 means sky. 天啊 means oh my god. 扣分 to deduct the point. 给我 to give me, but here it means to obey what I tell you. Shut your mouth. 闭嘴. God, you lost the point and shut your mouth.
要从4变8，你最好用力摇。
要从4变8，你最好用力摇。要 to want, 从 from 变 to change into, 最好 had better, 用力 to use strength, to use effort, 摇 shake. If you want to change your score from 4 to 8, you had better shake it hard.
So sexy, so sexy.
High heels means 高跟鞋 So 很 Lace means 蕾丝 So the whole sentence means 高跟鞋好性感蕾丝好性感满分的女人我找不到0分的女人都到处跑满分 4 marks 女人 woman 找 to find, to look for. 到 means to reach, to arrive. 找不到 means I couldn't find it. 0分 0 point. 都 all of them. 到处 means to arrive many places. 跑 to run. They are running all over the places. Means they are everywhere. I couldn't find women with 4 marks. While women with 0 points are everywhere. 到底打几分满分不是你到底打几分3、4、5、6、7到底 after all 打几分 How many points should I give? What score should I give you after all? You are not the 4 marks. What score should I give you after all? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7?
乖乖牌长得超可爱，有礼貌一点都不拽。
乖乖牌长得超可爱，有礼貌一点都不拽。乖 means to be well behaved. Pai means playing card, played, medal. But here it means identifications played. 乖乖牌 is a slang meaning someone who is always well behaved. Therefore, we can translate it as good girl here. 长 means to grow, and it also means you look. Verb the complement again. 超 is 超 from 超级 meaning super. 可爱 cute. 礼貌 means manner. 有礼貌 means to be polite. 一点都不 means not at all. 拽 to swagger, to be cocky. Good girls look super cute. They are very polite and not cocky at all.
爱做家事，爱煮菜，帮他打个分数，给他 A。
爱做家事，爱煮菜，帮他打个分数，给他 8 or 9. 爱 to love, 做 to do, 家事 things at home. It means chore. 煮 means to cook. 菜 means vegetable. 煮菜 also means to cook. She loves to do housework. She loves to cook. Let me help her by giving her a score, which is 8 or 9.
Sexy, 穿着学生服 is so sexy.
Sexy, 穿着学生服 is so sexy. 穿 to wear, 穿着 wearing 学生 student 服 clothes wearing uniform 好性感 That's what it means.
她的表情无辜 so sexy.
她的表情无辜 so sexy. 表情 facial expression 无辜 to be innocent. Her innocent face is so sexy.
一副在等待我这个黑马王子把她救出来。
一副在等待我这个黑马王子把她救出来。副 is a magic word for a person's look. The complete pattern should be 一副 blah 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 的样子。等待 means to wait. 在等待 means to be waiting, progressive. 这个 this 黑马 means black horse. 王子 means prince. If you want to know the meaning of 黑马王子, we should know the meaning of 白马王子 first. 白马王子 is a prince with white horse, is Prince Charming in English. So 黑马王子 actually means the dark version of Prince Charming. He is not riding a white horse, he is riding a black horse. Ba is the verb which means that you dispose an action on it. 救 means to save, to rescue. 出来 means out of something. Normally a prince would save a princess out of danger. She looks like she's waiting for a dark version of Prince Charming like me to save her. 爸爸说我不能牵手，不能给你亲。牵手 to hold hands. 给你 to give you. But here it means to let you. 亲 to kiss. That said, I cannot hold hands, I cannot let you kiss.
这个不行，那个不行，什么都不行。
这个 this 不行 to be not allowed. 那个 that 什么 what. If you turn 什么 from a question word to a noun, it means everything. This is not allowed, that is not allowed, anything is not allowed.
天啊扣分，给我下酒帽，这个酒店是我放牛吃草。
你这个酒变四，我放牛吃草。放 to release, 牛 cattle, 吃 to eat, 草 grass. 放牛吃草 is a proverb. It literally means to release cattle to eat grass. But it actually means to let someone do whatever they want to do. Use this 9, change it into 4. I will let you do whatever you want to do and leave. 到底打几分？0分送给你。送 to give a gift. What score should I give you after all? 0 is a gift to you. Yeah, that's everything about the lyrics. Stanley Huang was one of those people who brought American culture back to Taiwan in the 90s. And that was also the time the term ABC started to go viral in Taiwan. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something today. I will see you next time. Bye!